Good morning, my beautiful sunflowers. Today will be your English language teachers. I am Miss Veronica Tom.
I am Miss Angelica Lou.
And I am Miss Dora Kenton.
So students, let us play a little game so that I can see who has the best memory in this class. Alright, so I'm going to ask one simple question. What was the first thing did I say when I entered the classroom? Not Miss Tom, not Miss Fecker, but what is the first thing that I said? Take out your books. No. Yes, Jamie? No, that's not the first thing I said. I did not say head up your name. What is the first thing that I said when I come into the classroom? Very good, Destiny. I said good morning. So, good morning was my what? My exact words. Very good. So, today we will be looking at the topic direct speech. Now, who could guess what is direct speech? Very good. Very smart. So, we can say that direct speech is the word spoken by Miss alone? Really? Alright, good. So, today we will go deeper into the topic of what is direct speech. Alright, so take a minute to head up your name, the class, and today's date while we mount this aid. Alright, good. So on the chalkboard we have an aid which gives you the definition of direct speech. So take a minute, let us look at the aid. I will read first and then you will read after. We will read together. Good. Direct speech. Direct speech is the exact words spoken by someone. Quotation marks are used to indicate the direct words spoken. Good. Let's read together from the top. Direct speech. Direct speech is the exact words spoken by someone. Quotation marks, these are the quotation marks, are used to indicate the direct words spoken. Now, who can tell me what is the meaning of indicate? Very good. Indicate means to show or to tell. Good. So, like how we did the little example at the beginning, direct speech is the exact words spoken by someone. Now, Destiny told me that the exact words that was spoken by the teacher was good morning. Does that indicate the exact words? Were that my exact words? Yes, it was. Good. So, take a minute, copy it, and then we will go into the example.
Alright, good. So now that you're finished writing the definition for direct speech, we will watch a video about the quotation marks. As it says here, quotation marks are used to indicate the direct words spoken. So now let us watch this video and then we'll have a short discussion about the video.
Let me speak about speech and teach the key things that direct speech needs. One, you need a new line for a new speaker. Before they start speaking, that's when you sneak in. Inverted commas in a capital letter. Then finish the direct speech in your setup. To punctuate it based on your sentence. Now pay attention to the next lesson. This is how it works when the speech comes first. Everything apart from a full stop works. And this is how it works when the speech comes last. Everything goes except a comma. What's next? If you finish the above, then close your direct speech with inverted commas. You gotta use it when someone or something comments. If it's in direct speech, you don't need them. Only use them when the speaker's speaking. You're at the end and not beginning. Don't forget to punctuate within. How do you see?
Now that you're finished watching the video, can anyone tell me what they learned from the video? Yes, Jaden? Yes, it talked about inverted commas. Now, when we speak about inverted commas, what else are we speaking about? It's right on the board. Yes, Jaden. Yes, we're speaking about quotation marks. Now the aid in the word says that quotation marks are used to indicate the direct word spoken. Now what else did the video tell us? Yes, Destiny? We need to put the quotation mark or the inverted commas before the direct word spoken. What else? Anyone? Yes, Naya. Yes, you need to capitalize the letter or the word that comes after the quotation mark. Now, some examples of direct speech. Now, let me write the first one on the board. Alright, good. So the example is, Joy said, I am hungry. See some confused faces? Now, is this direct speech? No, it is not. Why is it not direct speech? Anyone? Yes, Naya. Yes, it is missing the quotation mark. Where do I have to put the quotation mark? Anyone? Someone else other than Sanaya? Yes, Cheyenne? I need to put it before the exact words were spoken. Now, who could tell me what were the exact words? Melina? I am hungry. I know a lot of y'all is hungry right now. Good. So the exact word spoken or the direct speech was I am hungry. Now where do I put the quotation mark? Destiny? Yes, I put it before the first word that was spoken, which would be what? Yes, I. So open quotation mark, or as Vidya said, inverted comma, and then I need to put, anything else missing? Yes, I need to put another quotation mark where? Correct, I need to put it at the end of the exact words that was spoken. Good, so Joy said, I am hungry. And the exact words were, I am hungry, and it is in quotation marks. Now let us look at two more examples. Good. The second example, let us read together. Joe asked Jada, why are you late? Like y'all come back late from lunch. Joe asked Jada, why are you late? Where should I put the quotation marks? In front of which? Why? Put a quotation mark in front of the word why. Why do I put the quotation mark there? Because this is the exact words. What is the exact words? Why are you late? Another quotation mark is missing. Exactly. And we put it here. Last one. Wait. Before we go on to the next example, there's something wrong with number 2 still. No one didn't point this out. Alright, let's go back to number 2. Joe asked Jada, why are you late? Like how some others always late. Joe was asking Jada, why are you late? Now, what is wrong with this sentence? Remember, from the video we watched, what did the people say you need to look for with direct speech or with the inverted comma? I see some answers. Okay. Lydia. Yes, we have the quotation mark, but something else is missing. Yes, Melina? Good. We are supposed to capitalize the first word after?
Now on to the next example. Alright then, let us read the last example.
Let's read the example together. After Meredith said to Christy, "You look like a mess," Christy responded, "I look better than you." Now, what is the direct words being spoken in this sentence? Or what are the direct words being spoken in this sentence? Anyone? Yes, Jaden, you're correct. There are two different direct speech in this sentence. Can anyone tell me what they are? Yes, Naya. The first one is, "You look like a mess." What do I need to do with this direct speech? Put it in quotation mark. Yes, and the first one goes before, and the next one goes at the end of the direct speech. Now, what is the second direct speech? Yes, Melina. "I look better than you." Yes, Christy responded, "I look better than you." Now, what is wrong with this direct speech here? There is no capital letter, or it doesn't start with a capital letter. So let me change that quickly. And what do I need to add in? Quotation mark. Good. Excellent. Good. So we all should have a better understanding of what direct speech is and how to identify it. Alright, good. Now we're going to copy these examples. But before you copy, does anyone have any question? Yes, Jaden? Alright, good. So Jaden asked if we always have to use a quotation mark. What do you guys think? Exactly, yes. We always need to use a quotation mark when we're dealing with direct speech. Because the main thing we use to indicate direct speech is the quotation mark. Alright, good? Good. Now copy.
Now that we've completed the definition and we've looked at some examples of what direct speech is, we are going to do some fun activities so that learning can continue. So, quickly place yourself into 3 groups. Group A, B, and C, and let's get it on. Now, we're going to share a piece of paper for the activity to each group, and on the paper, the instructions are there, and we are going to read them together, okay? Now you have them, everyone can see? Let's read. Now group A, you are going to write a poem based on direct speech. Okay, group A? Group B, you are going to create a dialogue showing direct speech by using pictures. So it's something like a cartoon you're going to be doing, right? You're going to be drawing something like that, right? And group C, you will participate in the Pass the Message game, where you write the exact words that is spoken by your partner. Okay? Let's get going. Now, we've all submitted our assignment or little activity. So let's read what Group A has done. Now Group A, their poem goes, "Direct speech is the spoken words said. It is not what we read. It is the exact word, writing everything we heard. We add an open quotation mark when the person begins to talk. We add a closed quotation mark to show where it ends." Very good. Come on, y'all, please give them a round of applause. Very good, Group A. Now Group B, you have to do a drawing. And let's look at this. This is so lovely. So lovely. And as you can see, the dialogue is right there. They're brilliant. They are brilliant. They are brilliant. Very good. Very good. Now group C, you have to do pass. You have to do your part. And let me read it. Can I see? Asked Destiny. No, said John. Why? Asked Jaden. We don't want you to, said Hope. I am hungry, said Latifah. Let us eat, said Aya. Very good. So give yourselves a round of applause. Group A, Group B, Group C. Brilliant students. I really love what you did here today. So recap today's lesson. We know that direct speech is the actual words spoken by someone. And a quotation mark is used to indicate the direct word spoken. Okay? Alright, and so we had some examples and we did some activities. Good students. So what have we learned today? What have you learned, Isaiah? Yes, quotation mark goes at the beginning of direct speech. Yes, when someone is speaking, their direct words. And what have you learned, Janisha? Very good, very good. There's a comma before, right? You've noticed that. Very good. Okay, well, now we are going to have some homework. You know you have to have homework. Can't go home without homework. So on this sheet, you already have our homework printed out for us. You are going to put in the direct quotation marks, direct speech quotation marks. Okay, and you're going to return them at our next class so that we can go through it. Right? Okay, so for the next class, what do you think we're going to be doing if we did direct speech today? What do you think we're going to be doing? Yes, indirect speech. Indirect speech. So I want you to go home, do your homework first, and then you're going to go and research indirect speech. Okay? All right. See you all in the next class.